हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो का टॉपिक है हाउ टू इंप्लीमेंट सिस्टम्स इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। अभी तक हमने जो बात की है इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ सिस्टम्स, इट बीइंग बैक्ड बाय ऑटोमेशन। ऐसा अब मैं बिलीव करता हूं दैट आप में एक ये बिलीफ आ चुकी है दैट इफ यू रियली वांट टू गो फ्रॉम द एस क्वाड्रेंट टू द बी क्वाड्रेंट, as explained by Robert Kiyosaki, S quadrant being the self-employed business person, जहां पे उनकी continuously जरूरत रहती है, to the B quadrant, which is a business where it's being run by the entire team, the systems, and the owner or the top management are just a part of the entire team. So you understand the systems are very, very, very important, right? अब है the biggest question is ये बिलीफ आने के बाद उसका इंप्लीमेंटेशन कैसे करने का। सो इट फर्स्टली डिपेंड्स ऑन वेदर यू आर रियली स्टार्टिंग फ्रेश, या आप एक छोटा सा बिजनेस हो, या फिर आप एक बड़ा बिजनेस हो चुके हो पर सिस्टम इंप्लीमेंट नहीं किए हैं फुल्ली। इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट। अगर आप फ्रेश स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो आपका कल्चर फ्रॉम डे वन शुड बी दैट आई विल फर्स्ट मेक द सिस्टम्स, and I, as the owner, the business owner, strongly believe, even if it's a one-man organization, which is you will still be very, very, firmly believing in systems, and you will follow the systems yourself. If you're a small organization, again, your decision, your belief, your being strict with yourself is very, very important. और आपको बहुत कम एम्प्लॉइज को इस कल्चर में लाने हैं और वो भी बहुत पुराने नहीं हो चुके। सो ये आपके लिए रीजनेबली एक इजी टास्क होना चाहिए। यस, जब भी आप सिस्टम इंप्लीमेंट करवा रहे हो, व्हाट इज टू बी अंडरस्टूड इज दैट आपको आपके साथ स्ट्रिक्ट रहना पड़ेगा। आपको ओनर्स के कोई भी प्रिविलेजेस नहीं लेने होंगे। सिस्टम आपको भी इंप्लीमेंट करना है, पर एम्प्लॉइज को with a smiling face but firmness systems को implement करवाने हैं, क्योंकि they will emotionally blackmail you. They talk about the delay हो रहा है, order चला जाएगा, employee चला जाएगा, time पे ये नहीं होगा. They'll give you all excuses trying to find out how strong you are in wanting to implement the systems. अगर आपको कुछ लोग, there will be three kinds of people. एक जो immediately systems को implement करेंगे, एक जो धीरे धीरे करेंगे क्योंकि आपकी firmness को चेक किया है उन्होंने and now they think that हम इसको करेंगे. And the third is who will not do it, who will be extremely reluctant. They'll fight. They'll create misunderstandings, politics within the organization वगैरह. This kind of people are not needed in your organization and they need to be replaced, because a temporary jolt is fine, but you're looking at a huge future, a business for generations to come, a business that has to go across the globe, and hence systems are very, very important. Yes, another very important aspect is that if you as the owner make the system because you are experienced or you think you know everything and order the team कि अब इसको follow करना है, instead of that, if the top team, the seniors can make the systems, automatically they will kind of follow it because they have made it. It is not an order, but they have given a birth to the system, and then they will make sure that the people in their team, their departments follow the systems. Okay, so it's very important to, instead of creating the systems yourself and ordering them, let them own the systems. Also, human beings have a limitation. Some, like the mood, or the politics, political minds that we have. Sometimes, the memory. So even if there are systems, we tend to forget them, avoid them, kind of some maybe influence the system. And hence the automation, which I've talked about, in the other videos that if you can back it up with automation, the machine doesn't have any moods, and hence the human being has to follow the systems. Also, there is, the team, there are two aspects that drive a human being, right? Team is made of human beings, right? Two aspects. One is either there is fear, or second, it's a dream. If we can explain to the team why are systems important, what will having systems do to the entire organization, what kind of future is anticipated because of having the systems, and how will that help them in terms of their growth, their monetary growth, their personal growth. In that sense, how will it help their families to grow? How will their dreams come true? They will be more friendly and more logical in accepting the systems. Or second is there has to be a fear that if I do not do it, I'm going to lose my job, and my job is so very important in this organization, and they are actually doing it for the good of me and the organization. Also, somewhere if we can back it up with some sort of incentives, some sort of benefits, that also plays a major role. Friends, a lot of people make systems. A lot of people want to implement systems, but what is very, very important is how to implement it and make sure it is implemented and practiced for long enough. Let me please go through my points to make sure that I'm not missing on anything. Please give me a second. And yes, a lot of times as a business owner, we could feel कि इतना सिस्टम आज मैं थोड़ा ओवरटेक कर देता हूँ, लेट मी अवॉइड इट, मुझे कोई बेनिफिट मिल जाएगा, कोई सेल्स मिल जाएगा, बड़ा ब्रेक थ्रू मिल जाएगा. The entire team is observing you. The moment they find out that for whatever reason you do break the systems, they are not going to take it as seriously. But for one or two times, if they see, oh my goodness, he let the order go, oh my goodness, he let the opportunity go, but he would not budge from the system, that is where you have sent a strong message to your organization that yes, systems are very important no matter what. I will not look at the short-term benefits. I'm looking at the big vision that I have, the long-term, the global approach, the approach of my business, our business, that is going to last for generations to come. And hence, friends, your firmness, your belief, the teamwork, makes the difference, and that's so very important in not only framing or wanting to frame or wanting to implement, but actually implementing the systems. Best of luck.